of potentials.com, signing at our channel. So last Saturday, we went again to SM North EDSA. So may haul na naman po tayo. Book sale haul. Yan, we are always this gives us joy pag nakakabili tayo ng books sa book sale. It's very affordable. It will not dent your budget. So tayo? It's a workbook ng Success Principle by Jack Canfield. So we bought it for $115. So very good bargain. And meron siyang mga activities for the Success Principles. Meron tayong book na Success Principles. This is a bonus. It's a workbook. Yan, Jack Canfield. Yan. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Enjoy reading. More knowledge. More skills for us. See you on our next video.